Do you want to find out what's the best and the most profitable passive and active income sources online for an artist? Then stay with me. Welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes and I am here to help starting business online entrepreneurs with their new journey. And I come up with different business ideas and side hustles that may turn into your full-time income. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, not to miss any future business opportunity. Today we will have a look at passive and active income sources for an artist. I know it's a hard time, it's hard to go out and present your work because of the restrictions related to coronavirus, but to be honest, there is not a better time for you to create your online audience and to make your life even easier with your online presence. Before I researched that topic, I thought being an artist now, especially in coronavirus time, it's one of the hardest things that may happen for an artist, someone who can paint and draw. What an awful time. But after doing the whole research, I am sure and I am pretty much confident that it is the best time that may happen for you to start earning really serious money online. And I will explain you in a second why. Before we dive into different online income sources for an artist, I want you to understand one thing, that any artist, anyone who wants to make money online must get the audience, must create an audience, someone who will admire that person for their work. It's not in relation to being an artist, but it's for what you do. Definitely you must create that audience. And with today's level of technology and social media presence, it's much easier to create so-called buzz around yourself as a person. And I know a lot of examples of people who literally in a couple of months, especially in that pandemic time, became a very well-known artist. And to be honest, they've done it fully by themselves on social media. What's important about building your online presence, it is to be consistent. So it's not even about commenting on someone else's post and stuff like that. It's just to be consistent with your work and present a good quality of work. In my opinion, at the moment, one of the best, fast developing and still letting you grow organically social media platform is TikTok. I know people who literally in a couple of months grew their TikTok accounts to a few 100,000 followers. And it's a fact that those artists became so popular on those social media, especially TikTok, not because they were posting 5 to 10 posts or TikToks a day. It's because they posted quality content. If there is quality content, if there is something what makes people interested, that will go viral. That will go viral, and the TikTok will, or any other social media, will push that content up to, if they see that people engage with your content. So it's not about quantity, it's about quality. And I can tell you the same about Instagram and Pinterest as well. People keep saying post as many posts as you can. Yes, maybe that's okay for like in the first couple of weeks, but later on try to concentrate on the quality of posts. And this artist here created a great follow list because of the content he presents. It's a very unique, and if you present something unique, then people naturally will come to you. If you present something unique and special, different from what all other people do, people will come and follow you because people will be interested in what you do as a person. So this is a great example, and here are some examples of some other great artists that make their fame on TikTok, and I will show you in a second how they monetize their TikTok and their presence online. If you like already what you've seen, please hit the like and subscribe button before we dive into all the details. The first online e-commerce source for an artist that I prefer, not only as for an artist but for anyone, is the passive income. And there are a couple of passive income sources for an artist that I want to tell you about today. The one of them is the printable websites such as Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or Printable. Merch by Amazon and Redbubble, they roughly behave the same. What is great about it is that you upload your design, so the picture that you take, that you create, you upload it once on that platform, set up all the keywords or tags, the description, set up your prices, and that's it. That's your job done. You are not interested anymore in any optimization, marketing, stock, shipments, nothing. Completely you forget about it. All what you do is you check your bank account and you check the amount of sales and what products sold this month. And if you notice a pattern that, let's say, every month in the last 2 or 3 months, the same item with the same design sold in a bigger amount, then you basically do very similar, create very similar design. You create very similar design to make it look even better than the one that is selling already, because that's how you leverage your sales. Remember, it's not about to create thousands of different designs. It's about to create those designs that are popular in a certain niche, that are in demand, that are trending now. And so remember not to work harder, but to work smarter. And it is smart to copy already your bestseller. Copy that bestseller a couple of times with similar designs just to leverage your sales. And don't try to come up with completely new, hundreds of new ideas. Try to search the market first, create maybe 50 designs and see what designs are the most popular and what's selling the most and what niche makes you money. So that is how you make money on those websites, Merch by Amazon and Redbubbles. And that's what you call passive income, because you upload your design once and you forget about it. If we talk about passive income sources, we must mention here as well Amazon KDP books. I know so many artists who are making great business, who created their business in coronavirus times and who are thriving through now because of their lovely art, and they basically create books like KDP journals and notebooks, and they as well don't have to worry about any shipments, inventory, customer service, because everything is done on autopilot. They create one design, upload that journal, notebook, or whatever that book, low content or no content book is, and they just look at the income that is coming to their bank account. The same, they can use exactly the same art, the same designs as they use for their Merch by Amazon or Redbubble designs. Another great way of a passive income for an artist is setting up a YouTube channel like this one here that can generate you passive income, because you upload your video once and people keep watching it and watching, and that's how you generate your money. Here it is again. a great artist doing a great job with his channel. He developed literally that channel to hundreds of thousands of followers in a couple of months, and he's only starting his journey with YouTube channel. If you don't know what videos to create on your channel, there are normally two types of videos that artists would be able to create. One is educational channel where you educate people how to draw. Basically, one video would be like a tutorial how to create this or that picture or drawing. Entertainment channel where you show off your art and how quickly you created something that is really energetic and entertainment. Plus, you can always make money from the links that you put in your description. If you want to learn more about how to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube, then go ahead and check my links in the description. And another way of online income for an artist is an active income for an artist. Active income is basically when you exchange your service for money. So basically, if you don't create your work, you are not paid. So if you, let's say, go for a month of holiday, you will not be paid because you will be not creating your work. That's why the passive incomes, like the one that I just mentioned before, are great to implement, to have couple of passive incomes, small passive incomes that can generate those small incomes. In such situation, I recommend creating those passive incomes, a lot of small passive incomes, like the designs that you can upload to different websites where you can generate those small incomes, and altogether when you combine all those small incomes, you can generate very decent income that can be for you your full-time income, so you can travel abroad and take your holidays whenever you want. So if we talk about active income sources, we must mention here your own e-commerce store. I know a lot of artists on TikTok who created their e-commerce store during pandemic, and literally that was the best decision ever that they could make. But it is an active income source, so basically they must deal with customer return. So if you are happy to deal with customers and shipping products and stocking your products, ordering your products from the manufacturer, then that's the way you should go ahead. It's not that hard. It's as well about creating your audience on social media. And as I mentioned before, TikTok would be the best social media to create your audience and show your artwork. And they are lovely things that you can design and put your designs on notebooks, on the actual, or even on clothes. Of course, you can create your own type of merchandising in that way as well, and you can add that e-commerce store on your YouTube channel if you are an artist and create designs, your own designs. You have your own merch. You can always advertise your e-commerce store on your YouTube channel. So that's a great active income source for an artist. And the last income source, but not the least, that I would like to mention to you today about is being a freelancer. Being a freelancer can be a great side hustle that can turn even into your full-time income, and there's a lot of artists on Fiverr where they make their full-time income by creating their art for people. And basically, Fiverr, it's a marketplace which joins businesses and freelancers. So you create some project, some art on demand. With that type of income source, you must know that it is not passive, and you must actively take part in creation of your work to make money from those type of freelancing websites. but artists can earn a really good money. Let's have a look at some Fiverr artists. So here we are on Fiverr. I just typed in a book cover, and as you see, there are different prices of book covers. I would say that one is very popular. It has over 1,000 reviews. And let's check that gig. So I will design book covers, interior layout and book conversion. And here we have the full cover, front, back and spine, free one stock photo. It's €57 and there is 7 orders in queue, and that 57 is the basic option. Here are some upgrades where is 84 and 146. So if there are 7 orders in a queue at the moment, this artist will be making roughly 57 multiply 7 equals €400. That's the minimum that he's making at the moment with those orders that he already has. Or if someone gets the premium package, it's 146. So it's 146 multiply 7 equals over €1,000. So it's a little bit more, it's around $1,100 US dollars. So it's a great way to make a couple of hundreds. It's not a passive income, but for a good artist, for someone who is well experienced, it's pretty much easy to create, especially that there are so many apps like Canva, BookBolt, that you can create book covers in a couple of minutes. Some are maybe more advanced, but it's not that you have to spend like days to create the book cover. You can create it in a couple of hours and they will look lovely. Plus there are some apps like this one here that will help you to create your own art, which is very, very helpful. I hope you enjoyed today's video about the different online income sources for an artist, and I hope you will use a couple of these passive income sources to boost your monthly income budget. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button. It will really help in the ranking of that video and in the search results, so people like you and me can find that video much easier in search results. And please hit the subscribe button and notification to be notified about new videos on my channel that are uploaded every single week. Thank you for watching and see you next time.